Hello! In this video I will introduce the two new MAXIFY GX series models. It is Business Inkjet Continuous Ink System Printer. In this video I will demonstrate the following. And you can find more videos on this series as well as comparison to the laser color printer by touching the right up corner of the screen. There are two models, and let me tell you three key differences between them. The GX7000 is upgraded from GX6000 with fax functionality, two-sided automatic document feeder and additional 250 sheets paper cassette. In different regions, these models may have different names. Let's focus on the key features of GX series in this video. It uses the MAXIFY MB print engine, so the ISO speed figures are identical. It uses high-capacity ink bottles with the Eco Print Mode option, which saves additional 50%. Each bottle has its mechanical ID and there is ink sensor in each of the ink tanks. In the upper right corner of the screen you find video where I set up and connect these models. All inks are pigment and they are marker and water resistant. Ink levels can be visually inspected, but because of the ink sensor you can read them with print management software. And you can set up the notifications from the printer to get any kind of error warning. The menus on the home screen can be rearranged and frequent operations can be saved into My Presets for more efficient daily work. The bottom paper cassettes are usually used for plain office paper, where you find a small window to visually check if there is any paper inside. And there is rear tray for photo or thicker media up to 250 grams per square meter. It also supports banner print up to 1.2 meter long, as well as some of the creative media, for which you can find the video by touching the right up corner of the screen. Let's see about the document feeder. On the GX7000 series you find two scanners, so this model can scan two-sided originals in a single pass. Let's see what is at the back where you find physical connections for USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct and 5G support on this model. And telephone plugs for fax are only available on GX7000. From the back, you can remove the jammed paper from the two-sided printing unit and you can replace the maintenance cartridge. And you will find all about maintenance, firmware update and costs on this series in the part 6 by touching the right up corner of the screen. The GX series is supported by Canon print apps. And support printing from smart devices with AirPrint for iOS or Mac, as well as Mopria print and scan for Android. Scan to USB is supported, as well as print from USB, where you find limitations with the PDF files. You can scan and print from cloud services. Cloud menu can be customized. You can scan to email and scan to destination folder. And more setting up details I will post in the video part 5. Checking the get the most out of your printer is recommended, where you can find more usage scenarios for these models. And you can download the software as well. And that would be all in this video. Feel free to comment below, ask questions and subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell and you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.